I'm thinking about joining a gym.
Sure, join. We have $5 every 6 months.
What?
$5 every 6 months, Pizza Fridays also.
Can you show me how to use your fitness?
Absolutely. Yeah, if you want to build some mega big pecs, you want to do 10-degree chest fly. And then right after that, you can jump on. We're going to show you how to do this vertical chest press. We're going to build massive chest. It's so important that you build your pecs. So important that you build your chest muscles. I'm telling you, it's really important, you know? So you want to get the big muscles.
Welcome everybody to another episode of Diaries of the Drunken Dumbells with Di, my sidekick Gio.
As trainers, we recognize in the gym, no matter how inviting it may not be for everyone.
Some of you will likely have more success doing things in the comfort of your own home.
But when you don't have the proper equipment to get a good arm workout,
improvising can be made easy with some common household items. Here are 6 common household items that you can use to get an effective 10-minute arm workout.
Do 10 to 12 slow and controlled reps 3 times.
Number 1, water jugs or household cleaning items. Each one weighs about 8.5 pounds, which is able to give your arms an effective workout. Do bicep curls holding 1 jug with each hand. Keep your palms turned towards your body and your elbows at your sides at all times. Number 2, use laundry detergent bottles. A 75-ounce bottle filled with water weighs about 5 pounds. Hold 1 bottle in each hand and raise your arms straight up to the ceiling with your palms facing each other. Bend your elbows slowly until your hands reach your upper shoulder blades and then repeat the motion. Be sure to keep your elbows close to your ears though and pointed up to the ceiling. You can also try overhead press for your shoulders. Little wider, little wider.
Number 3, a chair. Position your hands shoulder width apart, slide your butt off the chair, and extend your legs right out in front of you. Straighten your arms, keeping a slight bend in your elbows. Slowly bend your elbows to lower your body toward the floor until your elbows are at about a 90-degree angle. Be sure to keep your back close to the bench. Once you reach the bottom of the movement, press down into the bench to straighten your elbows again.
Number 4, beer bottles.
Let me do this. Number 4.
No, I'll do the beer bottle.
Guy, let me do it. Guy, I'm the boss today.
So like I was saying, beer bottles.
Full beer bottles are a great alternative for lightweight dumbbells for shoulder exercises. Hold a bottle in each hand and start with arms straight down at your sides. Keeping your elbows locked, raise both hands with palms facing down until they are parallel to the floor. Frontal raises are the same motion except your arms should be raised in front of your body.
Number 5, use a hammer for forearm and wrist strengthening. Lay your forearm on the table while holding the hammer. Slowly roll your hand over so your palm is facing down and then return to the starting position. Remember to move your wrist and forearm with slow, deliberate movements. Hey, and remember you can vary the amount of resistance of the exercise by holding the hammer closer or further from the end of the tool. Number 6, your own body. Your own body weight is perfect for doing traditional push-ups.
These are only 6 items, but there are tons of other stuff that you can use at home.
Yeah, some other honorable mentions are like water bottles, bags of apples, oranges.
Your groceries.
Other
Do your curtains. You'll get a mega shoulder workout with your curtains.
Your pet, if you have a pet, you can lift your pet.
Your niece.
Yeah, because you got a niece flying around. So you can see getting a great arm workout is doable at home.
Yeah, and when you feel motivated, you can, join a gym.
Join our gym.
Hey, and remember guys, for more fitness motivation, make sure you hit us up at Best Everywhere about me. Yeah, 'cause you got time for